Welcome this video. Plants flower in long outdoor pouch accompanies gas. Long outdoor pots provide an excellent way to add beautiful color and charm to your gardening patio or entrance away. Whether you have limited crop space or want to create a stick focal point, content gardening often versatile and easy to main entrance. This gas will help to choose the right plants, select pouch and provide type for main entrance health plant. Choose the right pouch. The select of an approving pouch is chosen for the health and growing of your flower. Consider the follow feature material. Pouch can in various material in carbon, tranquil, plant, fiberglass, and material. Each have its advertising and diffuse size. Long pouch provide space for roll growing, promoting health plants. The pouch is deep and wide spotted. You choose flower desiring property is enhancing provide root choose pots with health your pot its need. Select flower for long pots. When choose flower, consider the follow functional. Climax. Select flower that reward in your loading climax and seasoning. Sunlight need some flower requested full sun while other impartition full shade. Complement, color and height. Create appear by maximize different flower height, color and textile. A climax appear is the thoroughfare and material. Fit mid height plants like important and build property the pouch before plants popular your pots to create the best growing consider use high quality pouch salt gardening salt is true for contrast gardening installing use a warm Messiah need rich pouch max in short requested abilities provide natural over time arrange your plants place trial plants in the central and trellis one need the edge the rear appear host on plants is placement at the some division is was in its nurses constraint grating parsing that solve arrange the root to remove air pick after plants form the pot deep to health plants. Thank you for watching this video.